Today we will be installing a coin acceptor and coin bounce plate in a rear load Laundry Boss kiosk. For this operation, you will need a 3/8 nut driver as well as an 11/32 nut driver. First, take the front plate. Align it with the bolt holes on the front and push it into place. Make sure you press it so that it is snug against the front. Next, take your physical coin acceptor and align it so the letters are correctly aligned and the sticker is on the left. Grab it with your thumb and 4 fingers and line up this groove with the post inside. Note that your coin acceptor may already be attached to the front plate. If it is, you may skip this step and simply leave it attached. It should snap into place easily. Next, take the coin acceptor cable. You may need to take your coin acceptor off for this if this is your first time, and place it into the plug here. Line it up and snap it back into place. Plug the 6-pin connector on this cable into the open 6-pin adapter in the kiosk. Secure your wires so they are out of the way. Next, take your 11/32 nut driver and attach the 4 nuts to the bolts. Now, we are going to attach the bounce plate. There are 2 posts directly below the coin acceptor. Place the bounce plate so the holes line up as shown. Take your 3/8 nut driver and put the bolts onto these posts. Power on, and your device is good to go.